Is it finally time for the price of Zilliqa to go above 10 cents? Today we have had an amazing day because the price of Zilliqa has been growing exponentially. I mean, the past 2 days have been so crazy for Zilliqa and I am absolutely overwhelmed. And in today's episode, I am going to be giving you the targets and where the price of Zilliqa is going to be potentially going to. However, let me remind you, 3 weeks ago, I did let you guys know that the price of Zilliqa was going to explode to 16 cents by mid-February. Okay, so obviously, I mean, you just know how time projections are very tricky, especially due to the fact that there are a lot of factors that can really get to sort of determine whether these predictions are going to come to fruition. However, what I'm trying to tell you is eventually, probably in February, we are going to experience an explosive price explosion as far as Zilliqa is concerned. So ever since I uploaded this video, I purposely didn't even dare to upload any other content because I am so sure about what I'm saying. By the way, this is not financial advice because a lot of you folks have got a tendency of selling everything, including your kids, just because beyond 10x give a price prediction. However, we have been so accurate. A month ago, I told you when the price of Ethereum was around, I don't know, $500 or $400, I told you that we were going to explode towards 1,500, and I also gave you like a price prediction. So if you want to check this video, the proof is in the pudding. You can check out this video. Then some few months ago, I mean, I also reminded you, I told you about the price of AVAX when the price of AVAX was around $2. Now check out the price. The price is $32, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we have been killing it so far. Our price prediction game has been on flick. However, I am saying this with humility because I just don't want to rub things in people's faces. But look, we do this for real. And when I tell you that the price of Zilliqa is about to go to 16 cents in the next coming few weeks, most likely before the end of February, I really mean it. And time is obviously going to vindicate me. So obviously in the previous episodes, right, I gave you the reasons why the price of Zilliqa was most likely going to end up going to 16 cents. This is basically due to technical analysis. Okay, so right now if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement, right, we're going to look at the trend based Fibonacci retracement. So boom, we do that, we plot that fib and just drag it right there, right? Obviously, getting to see where the golden Fibonacci level is, right? This is obviously, oh, by the way, right now we are actually close to the resistance here, all right? Because previously we went as high as close to 10 cents, and right now we are trying to break this particular resistance right over here. And ladies and gentlemen, in the next few days, we are most likely going to break through this area of resistance. And once this particular area of resistance is broken, right around $0.099 then it's going to be, we don't really have like much resistance, okay? And this is what is going to bring the Zilliqa bulls to play because there isn't any resistance available, and we're most likely going to continue with our trajectory on top. And this is one of the reasons why we are most likely going to break this particular resistance, is because we are winding our way close to the resistance. Whenever you are sort of ranging close to the resistance, right, and you are gathering a lot of you have like a lot of volume, right? So right now if we switch over to the 1 hour, right, you guys can clearly see this surge in volume. These are the bulls telling you that, hey, we're about to go crazy, we're about to go bonkers, we are about to go cuckoo right now, okay? And due to the fact that we are sort of amplifying our volume towards this particular resistance, there is a 60 to 70 probability of us breaking the resistance at 0.099 cents. And as you can see right now, we are ranging within this particular area. So we're obviously going to be, you know, just ranging back and forth, and all of a sudden we're going to have like a massive breakthrough, and we are obviously going to tear this wall of Jericho as far as resistance is concerned. And when that happens, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go to the moon. And I'm sure a lot of you can't really wait for this particular action to happen, because this is what we have been waiting for. So best believe we are definitely going to go to the moon. Now let me take you back to the reasons why we're going to go to 16 cents, because it's all got to do with mathematics and Fibonacci retracements and all that good stuff. So anyhow, let me just zoom this particular chart so that you can see what I'm talking about, and it's obviously going to make a whole lot of sense. So let me just drag that down. So I did establish the fact that this particular resistance here is going to be broken. So when it gets broken, right, look at this particular area, right? We basically do not have like any trading, we don't really have like any resistance as far as the visible range, which are these bars right over here, right? We don't really have like any resistance. So from here, price discovery is going to be very crazy. You know, price discovery in terms of the order books plays a key role, because sometimes there might be some sellers who've got like sell orders when the prices are like artificially way above what is trading on the order book. I don't really know whether this really makes sense. So this is one of the reasons why ever since Bitcoin jumped from 20,000 US dollars, right, the price was just like basically moving by, I don't know, like $1,000 like in a matter of minutes, because there isn't a lot of good price discovery in terms of the order book, because, you know, the prices are scattered all over the place, and people don't really know exactly where to sell the prices and what price they should like put in the order book. So this is one of the reasons why it is very easy for us to like explode and just continue sort of going into higher prices. And you guys are going to be wondering like, what the hell is happening? Is this even real? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is real, because there isn't any price discovery after 10 cents as far as Zilliqa is concerned. So getting back to the 16 cents and why I really believe that this is obviously going to be the next area, right, that we're obviously going to face. You know, some sort of this is where we're most likely going to end up going. So according to this particular Fibonacci retracements, right, hold on, let me grab something. Yeah, I'm looking for the rectangle. So yeah, we're most likely going to sort of face a lot of resistance in this box right over here. And if we can change the color into red, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I was targeting this particular box right over here. Yeah, we changed that into red because this is between the yeah, okay, it's been a while since I recorded. Can't even see where everything is. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for that drawing thingy. Okay, so yeah, basically this is where we're going to be having a lot of resistance, because it's between the 38.2 fib level and the 61.8% fib level. So once we get to sort of rise and sort of you know, go above that particular area, right, then we are most likely going to face a lot of resistance. And if we take a look at this particular journey, right, that is obviously going to be like a very solid price move from the current price. I mean, from the current area of resistance. I mean, because this is our utmost resistance, right? So if we're going to that particular area, it should be around 32 to 80% price appreciation, which is very, very good. So this is where I'm most likely going to be, you know, sort of re-evaluating and seeing what's going to be happening. However, yeah, so look forward to these particular areas, you know, between, well, anything which is going to be above 14 cents all the way to around 18 cents. That's obviously going to be my area where I'm going to be sort of offloading, because I have been religiously accumulating ever since the price has been dropping. I have been buying the dumps, and you know, of late everything has been doing very well as far as the price you know, pumping everything in terms of Zilliqa is concerned. So this has been like a very good upward momentum and upward journey, and we're most likely going to end up going all the way to the top. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about right now is obviously getting to talk about the smaller time frames, because I don't really like talking about the smaller time frames. Right over here, we obviously got to witness the bulls defending 9 cents, because 9 cents was like a very huge resistance for us, and so far we are staying above 9 cents. However, there might be some situations or scenarios where the price wicks and then goes to, let's say, this particular area. Hold on, let me grab it. So the price can go there, or it can also end up coming back down to this particular area. So anything which is going to be below 9 cents all the way, well, let me just grab it for you. So this particular area is going to be like a very good area to like sort of reload in case there's going to be a dump, because sometimes the price usually gets messed up because market makers and exchanges such as Binance need to liquidate people. So you have to understand that this game is made up of ups and downs, and it's just we just can't really continue going up. There's going to be some moments where it's going to boom, wick to the downside and then get bought back up. So if in case that happens, right, you have to buy when the price has sort of established this particular uptrend and it's sort of beginning to go back up. So in case there's like a huge wick, wait for it to get bought back up and then continue going. Like for example, what happened here, there was a huge wick to the downside, right? Then if you had to like buy on the third bar, let's say for example on this particular third bar here on the 10 minutes, right, then you would have had like a very good risk to reward, because you have already established the fact that the bulls have defended and there isn't like another risk of dropping. And then this happened for the second time. We obviously wicked, and then if you had to like buy like on the third bar, you would have really made quite a lot of money right there trading. But anyway, that's just basic day trading technique stuff that you guys already know. So more of the story is Zilliqa is about to go bonkers in the next coming few weeks and potentially days, and it's another opportunity for us to make money, and I have been patiently waiting for this to happen. I didn't even want to upload anything because I honestly trust my TA, and I really make money trading, so I don't really rely on YouTube to make money. So for me, it's about perfecting my skills, and I really want to prove that okay, indeed I'm making progress in terms of my technical analysis and in terms of trading these markets. And I also want you to do the same. You need to like brush up your skills as well, learn as much as you can. Practice makes perfect. In case you've got any other questions, please drop them in the comment section, or you can just email me and then I'll be able to like share the little knowledge that I have. And I'm so excited about the Zilliqa, the AVAX trade that we had, because I've been telling you, like, you guys, everything that I talked about, I talked about AVAX and Algorand, EGLD. This one has also exploded as well. Algorand, $195. And on my YouTube channel, we talked about these coins. We talked about AVAX, Elrond, plus some crazy stuff. So let me just try to find Elrond right over here. It should be somewhere on my YouTube channel, because I did let you know that it was going to do very well. So yeah, look at that. That was a month ago. Elrond price to $200 in 2021. That was a month ago. That was a month ago, ladies and gentlemen. That was a month ago when the price was $14. Oh my God, you guys must be rich by now. You must have retired off of my YouTube channel. Look at that. The price was $14. Look at Elrond, $195. The Lord has been so gracious, and please do not use my videos as financial advice, because sometimes you know, I do get stuff wrong as well, but you know, I do get stuff wrong as well because I'm not a financial advisor. So that's all I had for you today. I'm obviously back because I'm going to be just monitoring Zilliqa, and I'm going to be giving you my daily updates. So I'm not obviously going to disappear for another 3 weeks, you know, because I genuinely miss you, and I really miss all the positive comments and reactions that you guys have had so far. So yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back, but I'm just trying to have a habit of you know, being consistent, because you know, like, I really get pennies off of YouTube. You know, like, I make, I don't know, like $300 per month, and I'd rather just concentrate on trading, you know, because I'm making way much more money there. But on YouTube, I've got my family, I've got my Beyond 10x family, and you guys really support me. So you know, it's like a funny situation, but hey, I'm just going to be here. So without further ado, there's nothing much to talk about because we have exhausted this particular topic. Right now, I'm just waiting for the price to go close to 16 cents, and I'm just going to feel vindicated. So far, all my predictions, we had Ethereum, we had Avalanche, AVAX, we also had Uniswap, ladies and gentlemen, is $20, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, this is almost a bull market, so anything like most of the coins are going to be going up, so there isn't anything skillful that I'm doing at this particular moment, according to like a lot of critics. You know, they can just randomly say pick up a coin and say, okay, it's going to grow by 200. So I understand what you're saying, but you have to understand, I've been uploading ever since we were in a bear market, man. I've been consistent, you know. I've been around like in the dip bear market. I've been around with you like ever since we had this crazy bear market, and right now it really seems that we are sort of reaping from all the hard work that we had to like put in, and just the mental struggle. The mental struggle is just definitely what almost killed me. Like, you know, I had like a lot of depression, a lot of anxiety, and right now it really feels good to finally see the prices come back up. And I know the people who were investing in 2017, 2016, the prices haven't really fully matured to the levels where they were a while back, but just hang in there, and hopefully you use this time to like brush up your skills and just be better at trading. Because if you did that, all these price fluctuations that we were having, I'm sure you would have made like a decent amount of money back. So you know, I just wish you all the best, and you know, just be relentless. So anyhow, that's all I have for you today. It's been your boy Muna. We are back at this YouTube again, and yeah, the daily uploading is going to commence, and we are going to be together. So have a great time, and God bless you.